Can you build a complete professional design website from a single sentence? Can you take a screenshot of an app and turn it into a reusable design system instantly? And can you build a full stack mobile application front end and back end in just a few minutes? Today, we're going to do all of that and more. We're starting with nothing, a completely empty folder. The only tool I'm using is an IDE, an AI-powered code editor, and my own ideas. My goal is to see how far we can push this AI assistant, going from a simple prompt to a fully deployed application. Let's get started. All right, first up, let's keep it simple. I'm asking the AI, which I've named Mike's CTO, to make a professional landing page for me. No design specifics, no color palettes, just a simple request. Let's see what it comes up with. And right away, it gets to work. It's outlining its plan. It'll create the HTML structure, a modern CSS file for styling with a responsive layout, and even a JavaScript file for interactive. Just like that. Wow, in under 2 minutes, we have a complete professional landing page. Look at this, a clean hero section with a gradient, features cards, and about us section, testimonials, and a contact form. It's fully responsive with smooth scrolling navigation. This is incredible. Okay, that was impressive, but what about something more complex? A common task for developers is to replicate a design. I found some cool mobile app designs online. Let's grab a screenshot of this mobile banking app. It has a clean layout, specific colors, and UI components. My first prompt for the AI is this: create a JSON profile design system that extracts visuals data from the screenshot. I'm asking it to analyze the image and build a design system in JSON format. This isn't about writing HTML, it's about understanding and codifying design principles, colors, typography, spacing, component styles, so we can use them to build consistently later. And now for the ultimate test. We have a design system. Let's ask the AI to build a complete functional personal finance mobile app based on it. I'm giving it a very specific, ambitious task. Build a goal-based savings app. It needs to allow users to create multiple savings pockets, track progress, and view transaction history. I'm specifying the tech stack, React Native with the Node.js and Express backend connected to a MongoDB database. This is a full stack application. Here we go. It starts by creating the package.json file, adding all the necessary dependencies for both the front end and back end, like Express Mongoose for the database and JWT for authentication. Now it's building out the entire backend. It sets up the Express server, connects to the MongoDB database. It's creating the database models for users, saving pockets, and transactions. It's even building out the API routes for authentication and data management and setting up middleware for security. This is the entire scaffolding of a production-ready backend created in seconds. With the back end done, it moves to the front end. It's building the React Native app structure, creating different scenes for the home, dashboard, pockets, and transactions. It's setting up navigation so users can move between them. It's using the design system we generated earlier to style the components, ensuring everything looks consistent. And here is the final result. A fully realized mobile application concept. You can see the savings overview, the quick action buttons, the recent saving pockets like vacation fund and emergency fund, and the transaction history. Every part of this was generated by the AI based on our initial prompt, and that single screenshot truly unbelievable. This is amazing for building from scratch. This free tool is called Tweak, and it's basically a theme generator for the most popular UI components library. shade con. You can come in here, adjust your primary colors, your card colors, your font families, and see a live preview of how it will look on a real dashboard. Once you have a theme you love, you just go to the code tab, copy this CSS, and paste it into your project. Now every single time and every single component you build will have a consistent professional theme. This is how you build a real brand identity, not just one-off page. Let's say I want to add a specific feature to our first page, landing page that we created earlier. I've been seeing these cool tilted cards on a lot of modern websites. I found the component I want on React Bits. It uses framer motion for the animation. I'll copy the implementation code and tell the AI I need you to use this component for the Why Choose Us section of the page. I'm also telling it to find a new font. I'm on Google Fonts and I like this classic EB Gremont. I'll grab the embedded code and I'll ask the AI to add this font specifically to the experience, the difference title. Just like that, it has updated the CSS to apply the new font and integrated the tilted card components with their hover effects. This shows how you can collaborate with the AI, bringing in external code and design ideas to refine your project. And for the one last trick, let's create a completely new page with a modern bento layout again. It understands the concept and builds a responsive grid that looks fantastic on desktop and automatically stacks into a single column on mobile. So in just under 18 minutes, we went from a blank folder to multiple fully featured and professional design web and mobile concept. We built a landing page, extracted a design system from an image, built a full stack mobile app, and iterated on our design using inspiration from the web. This workflow is a game changer. It's not about replacing developers. It's about empowering them. It automates the tedious, boring parts of coding, freeing us up to focus on creative logic and building truly amazing things. The future of development is here and is collaborating between human creativity and artificial intelligence. What would you build with a tool like this? Let me know your ideas in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more explorations into the future of technology. Thanks for watching.